Okay, let's do a visit to my black soldier fly bin. So here's the drainage. Okay, this is good for the plants. And let's take a look inside. And there, they're climbing up. Very nice. And they self-harvest. Here's the egg laying cardboard, and we have here actual soldier fly that lays her eggs there. And there are thousands of black soldier flies here. Let's take a look under there, and here, there. So I feed them with fruits and rice and corn bran. If they reach the adult, they climb up and self-harvest, and it will go directly here. Look at that. There's a lot of black soldier fly adult there.